Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about an interesting video. I'm in the tutorial video. The tutorial is how to create product photo using artificial intelligence, AI. So you can see we have various images we need to be add on our product. So we are going to create this kind of image by using artificial intelligence, and this will be only for e-commerce. I hope this video will be helpful for you if you are looking for AI product photo designing. So let's dive into the main topic. First of all, we are going to talk about Imagine Create AI. I already log into this website, like what it is. So if I talk about what it is, then I will definitely mention that a powerful AI tool that transforms basic product shots into cinematic stylized product images. So if you saw their template, then you will see their template is really awesome, and it is like one drawback I need to say that it is premium, but best for fashions, cosmetics, tech, accessories, luxury items. So you can use it totally. So you can see they have options like product, fashion, and ideation, like create a photo shoot for products like beauty essential or furniture, then create a photo shoot featuring AI models showcasing dresses, pants, shirt, and more. So there, if I talk about their pricing, then you can see their pricing is not at that much. Like, let me give you an example. Have a look. This is their starter plan, and this is $13 month, unlimited AI background removal, then have 30 credits per month, unlimited downloads with no watermarks. Also they provide free plan like $0, and right now I am using that is unlimited AI background removal, 8 credits per month. So my credit has been 0 right now. Then also they have unlimited downloads with no watermark, so you can change their billing. So if you need it, like I am using this one, so I already uses my credit. So right now I'm not able to create a new image, so I need to purchase something available plans. So you can buy your desired plan from that place. But I will definitely say about their features, like they provide custom scenes generation from text prompt, also built-in AI styling for product photography. Then they have great for branding, social media ads, and also hero banners. So that is their, like I can say, the feature, and why you need to be use it, because it is fast, creative, and highly quality output. So perfect for visual storytelling. I will definitely mention this word. So the second one we have, this will be Outfits AI. If I talk about Outfit AI, then I will definitely say a niche AI tool it is a. So here you have fashion e-commerce, generating realistic outfit mockups and product image. So if you watch this video, then you will understand many idea from that. Like, let me try, just click over here. Once you click over here, the website create, like the profile creation is really easy and simple, so you can do it your own. So I'm going over there, and I am trying to go in the dashboard. So here you can see we have right now 0, like their basic plan is from $15, where we can do 15 AI photos, and we have current age AI, so you can explore it if you want. So this is totally like premium, you are not able to or allowed to do it freely. So but the outfits.com is really impressive, and this platform is best for clothing store, boutiques, brand, and drop shipping. Also, if I talk about their features, then definitely I need to mention that their AI generated models wiring your design. So you can create your AI models with your products, and then you can use your AI models in your Shopify store or other kind of e-commerce platform. Then you can upload flat design or mockup to see them on real looking people. I think that sounds really interesting. So third one is great for visual try once and model shoots without hiring talent. So that's the reason you need to be use outfitsai.com, but the plan have some drawback, that is this is premium, so you are not allowed to use this freely and they don't provide any free credit, so this is the drawback. Then why you need to be use it, like makes launching fashion line easy with AI generated lookbooks, then you can go with this one. And I think this is $15 is not really much, actually it is less than other platforms, so I think it will be perfect for you. Then the third one is Flare AI. Flare AI is totally free, they give you get started, it's free, they give you some options, and this is the a drag and drop AI tool to create professional product photography. Let's create an account and see the demo over there. So you can create account with Google and you can create with your manual email, it's totally up to you. I don't want to bother you in here, I just want to give you the result. So I will create an account, then dive into the dashboard. But let me tell you, this apps is really best for small businesses and Shopify sellers. So you can see that their option 4 elements provided us, that is generate on model photography, generated ad, then generated video, train custom model, generate image from canvas, then generate image. So let's go with this one, just click over here, then let's drag and drop our file over that place. This is our product, so here I will upload this and then it will downloading. It will take a while for uploading the file in Flare AI, then it will do it their work. And let me tell you the features about this Flare AI. This is super easy UI, the interface is really simple, no design or skill needed for this one. Like you are beginner, you already start your business, you can easily do it by using Flare AI, your work will be done, that much easy this is. So after this one, you can see our product is here now, it is working. You can see a prompt has been written down and like click here generate, and it will take a time like 13 seconds, then it will be complete. Let's talk about second feature, that is dozen of creative templates and themes you will find out in this Flare AI, and those are like free. If you want to work further more in here, they also have premium plan, you can purchase that plan and you can use it. And their AI generated shadows, reflections and product angles are really simple and amazing. And if you are new to product photo design, then Flare AI is a perfect option for you. So I will definitely suggest you to go with Flare AI. If you are looking for a free platform, then this may be perfect for you, but you can use premium one, they are not enough expensive, so those are if affordable, so you can use those platform also. So here you can see this is our result already came to our image, so it's look really amazing right now. You can improve the result or you can download it, whatever you want, that much easy. I told you that the Flare AI is a perfect choice for you if you are a beginner level of photo designer. You can easily create your photos or your like canvas from that place. So let's dive into the 4, that will be Clade AI. Clade is another free platform where you can start your journey with freely. So here why you need to be used is this platform. Like if you are a product image enhancement platform, this is a product image enhancement platform, so using AI for bulk processing and optimization, then Clyde AI is a perfect for you. And eventually I can say that if it is best for marketplace and bulk uploads, like you can upload many images once in this platform. Let's again create an account over here, then talk further with working. Like I really love to give you the sample when we are like while we are talking about the product. So Clyde AI is now my product, so I will see the sample and then I will give their features with you. So here you can see we need to be drop our image, just I click over here, choose file, and I will give the image over here. So now you can see we have many options here, so we can choose anything from that place, remove background, AI background and many more, expand image, out point. So let's click over here. So you can see they already redirect to me to here, and you can see in the left corner we have various like bunch of option in that place you can do. Like it is a one kind of a Canva. I hope you know about Canva. Canva is a popular platform for editing. Like it is also similar to Canva. You can easily apply every elements in this here, and I will talk about their features. There is a great background removal and replacement features. Also they auto enhance the image, and they, if your image reduce is really not cool, then they can upscale this, they can enhance the image and make more beautiful. Also they compress the size, like your image size is 2 MB, they will compress it with quality and it will be sized like 1 MB. So it's well for you. Also it will reduce your loading time of your website, and all are AI powered, so you don't need to do anything by manually. It will automatically happen when you will use this cloud AI. And also we have API access for developer and platform. If you're a developer, then you already understand what is API access, so I don't need to discuss about, so because the video is around editing, that's why. Then I will definitely mention that even though you are not like using cloud AI, but I need to mention that is perfect for automatic large scale image workflows for e-commerce, this website. So I hope, I will suggest you go with Flyer and Studio if you were looking for free version. If you're finding something great platform for AI or image, then you can go with Outfits AI and Imagine Create AI. Both are great, but let me give you a pro tip for you. That will be combine these tools one and use Outfits AI for mockup. You can use Flyer for scenes, and also you can use Cloud for polish. Stack your AI workflow for your best result. I hope you understand all the point I am giving to you. So the process is really simple and really easy, so you need to be understand it perfectly. If you don't understand the real result, then go and watch this video again and again. You will understand everything from the scratch. And if you are a beginner, then this video might be perfect for you. I hope this video help you. If you think this video is really give you so much knowledge, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. I will catch in the next video. Till then, have a good day.